Today I'm going to plant these foxglove seeds here, and I'm going to put them right straight in the flower bed, which is something kind of new. Usually I plant them somewhere else where you get perfect conditions and then transplant them out front. So the first thing I'm going to do is just loosen up the soil a little bit and then rake it out smooth like this. And I'm just loosening up the soil and raking it out. And here I'm sprinkling on the seeds, and you can see how really small these seeds are. And so just gently, ever so gently rake them in. You don't want to push down hard on the rake at all. And then just water them with the watering can. And I think it's important to water the seeds every day until they germinate. And so I'm setting the watering can out there right beside. And then so when I see it, I can just put some water on them. So there it is, how to plant foxglove seeds in 1 minute. And if you like that video, please subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you later on. So thanks a lot, and goodbye.